Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating your laundry room with a beautiful wood countertop. In this video, we'll show you how to use various components to transform your laundry space into a functional and aesthetically pleasing room. Scene 1, Planning. Before we get started, it's essential to plan your layout and design. Consider the available space and the placement of utilities like plumbing and electrical outlets. Scene 2, Countertop and cabinets. Start by installing your wooden countertop. It serves as the centerpiece of your laundry room. Attach cabinets beneath the countertop for ample storage space. This will keep your laundry essentials organized and easily accessible. Scene 3, Shelving and storage. Next, install open shelving for items you want to display, like decorative baskets or plants. Don't forget to add under-counter storage for a clean look. Scene 4, Sink and faucet. If your laundry room allows, install a utility sink and faucet. It's perfect for hand-washing delicates or filling buckets with water. Scene 5, Backsplash and wall cabinets. Protect your walls with a stylish backsplash. Hang wall cabinets above the countertop to store cleaning supplies and linens. Scene 6, Small accessories. It's the little details that make a difference. Install drawer pulls and knobs for easy access to cabinets. Wall hooks provide a convenient spot for hanging laundry bags or your ironing board. Scene 7, Lighting and electrical outlets. Proper lighting is crucial in a laundry room. Install a suitable light fixture for better visibility. Ensure there are enough electrical outlets for your appliances. Scene 8, Laundry accessories. Incorporate practical laundry accessories. A fold-out drying rack and laundry basket make laundry tasks more manageable. An ironing board mounted on the wall saves space. Scene 9, Final touches. Don't forget the final touches. Place a trash can for lint and waste disposal. Install a clothes rod for hanging clothes to dry or store. A fold-out table adds extra workspace. Scene 10, Washer and dryer. Finally, position your washer and dryer for easy access to the countertop. Conclusion. And there you have it. With careful planning and the right components, you can transform your laundry room into a functional and beautiful space. Enjoy the benefits of a well-designed laundry area. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!